is all the truth I know. In a coat of gold or a coat of red, a lion still has claws, and mine are long and sharp, my lord, as long and sharp as yours.
The Lannisters send their regards.
And so he spoke, and so he spoke, that Lord of Castamere. But now the rains we bore his home, with no one there to hear. Yes, now the rains we bore his home, with not a soul to hear. And so he spoke, and so he spoke, that Lord of Castamere. But now the rains we bore his home,